Today we'll be looking at the Bentley Alpha 2 Banham logo branded panel. It's around from around 1980. Open it with a temper. You can turn it on and off. Let's go inside. The little ID board, wire diagram, little old stick up there. Setting knobs up there. Timing and stuff. Into your dial stickers over this, battery power, your temper switches there. So just turn on. So this panel works a little different than a normal panel. It detects when you shut the door, then the alarm resets. So when you set it, dawn. However, you keep that until you shut the door, and the door is shut, and it's set. You open the door, so it's counting down. I set it to quite a short time. You turn it off. You also have night mode, which best say you want to set it to night set, which is right there. And you don't sound. Right, set. You open the wires. That's counting down, and you don't turn the key in time. Just take the key out. So it will go off. It took quite a short time, so it goes off. Just put it off and it says block out. Reset. The reset button. Let's reset. I've got emit on this, so to emit the thing, you press. If you want to emit, set night set, and you can emit zone 1 and zone 2. Do the same thing. More different instructions on here. Pause if you want to read it. I have no clue what this ID is supposed to be. It just sounds down here. Not applicable, so I have no clue what that does, so that's strange. The key looks like. At least I did get this panel with the original screw, which is nice. The screw looks like, but yeah. What's another strange about this panel? The temper switch right here, okay, it had to be wired in to a zone temper circuit, which is kind of strange on this panel. You can see those are the options right there. Little knobs. There. There's little knobs. There. I don't know what these are for. I bet you have like a door lock. Kind of old AD panels. You have the key switch mechanism. See parts move and turn the key. Just quite cool. Get inside that. Yeah.